everyone, Angel here. Today
we are going to help nature, like little baby is doing over there.
Like that cool baby that is doing over there.
Yes, that is very.
That's my sister. So, anyway.
Go get the end of the hose.
Anyway, today I'm just grabbing the hose, just watering some plants.
Yes.
Do the hose.
Oh.
Director, turn it on.
Yes.
Okay. And cut.
All right. So the water is now loading. Oh God, no! It's gonna hit Delilah in the face. Do not point at her face, whatever you do. Hold on. As you can see here, we have a little bit of a mechanical problem. Do not point at your sister, or she's gonna get wet. All right. So now that we have fixed it, do not point it at me. Okay. Now go point it at that grass over there.
Delilah, no. Okay, so we're just watering plants, and director, can you get my sister? No! And we're just right here, and just watering some plants.
Yes. Now go to a different plot of land where plants are.
And in case you didn't know, I'm doing a crossover a YouTube channel with this person right there.
Yeah, do not point at me, or I'm gonna get wet. I don't want to get wet because this is my only phone.
YouTube channel, and on my YouTube channel, I was gonna tell you, I was gonna give a free Roblox giveaway, and if you enter in the contest, just turn on notification bell, subscribe to the channel, me and the other channel I'm on, and you'll get the Roblox gift card. But first, you gotta comment your username and
you have a chance to win.
Say I subscribed, and you'll have a chance to win a Roblox gift card. That is a $10. So anyway, today I'm just here at one of my friend's house.
Yes.
Yep. She's right there, so you'll never know her name.
Yeah, I don't want anybody to know my name. Yeah. All right. For now, my name is Kitten.
Yeah, her name is Kitten. Hello, Kitten McGee.
Don't. Come on, go to a different plot of land now. Okay. And then we're going to do some other helpful things for nature. Untie the hose. Undo that hose thing, Delilah. Oh.
Okay,
here, I'll...
Just turn it on.
Director must fix bend or else broken.
Yeah.
All right. So.
Okay. Let's start watering the hose.
Here, I'll turn it down a little bit. Hey, go over there. Like over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't hit the LED light though, or my mom's gonna get mad. Hello, Mom, if you're watching. We are not causing any trouble. We are helping nature.
Yeah, we are helping nature. Come on. Come on, Kitten, Mom.
Now, go to that side over there.
Over here?
Yes. Now, do you know why I'm not helping people that are watching? Because my boots are horrible and they have murdered my feet by now. So I might help a little bit in the videos, but otherwise my heels are like scorching hurting. So yeah. You can see we're having a lot of fun doing this. Do not stay in one spot.
Okay.
All right. Now go kind of over there where the crops are.
Okay, here?
No, like way over there. Water the crops a little bit. Do not put a lot of water. I'll turn it off when it's ready, all right? Over there.
I want to...
All right. Just go there. Here.
Just here, okay?
Yeah. All right.
So just in case you're watching on Minecraft,
Do not get the thing wet. Come on. All right. Now we're going to have some fun. Now that we've watered everything, come on, Angel.
Okay.
All right. So first, Angel, hold that thing up to the sun, that hose.
Oh, what thing?
The hose.
Oh.
We're going to make a water rainbow.
A water rainbow?
Yeah, you know how to make those?
Oh, yeah. It's because of the refraction, I guess?
Or
I think we're doing some flying here, right?
yes.
We're doing some flying.
All right. Now, all right. Oh, wait. No, not on yet. All right. Now, point it like to the sun over here. Come over here.
Okay, let's point it at the sun. Oh, I'm going to close my eyes because I don't want to get blind.
Like, get over here.
not cause any damage to my eyes.
Of course, just close your eyes. All right. It's not working yet. Hey, hold on. Here, I'll help you. All right.
Okay, help me.
So,
Help me.
turn to the side like this.
Okay.
Like that. Get over here. Get,
Oh, like a water sprinkler?
yeah, like get
like
get right here somewhere. Just somewhere
Okay, let me just get
like right here.
okay,
Like this.
Or right here. Okay.
Like
Oh, right here.
all right. No, 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 no.
Yeah, cause our cruel.
No, 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 no. 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 Hold on. Sorry, we're having a hard time here. All right. Point it like to the sun, right? Somewhere over the rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow.
Oh God, the kid's gonna get wet. Want to fill that up and
Okay.
how about hey, put some water in that bucket.
Okay.
All right. Tell me when it's full.
Okay.
Here, that's enough.
Hey, that's not enough.
Well, we're gonna have a hard time lifting it. All right.
Oh yeah.
Like even Delilah is.
Okay,
All
come
right,
on. Up.
pick it up and dump it over here where the green grass is.
Yeah, that's good.
Wait, we forgot to water over here.
Oh yeah.
Let's-
At least we can still do it with the green bucket. I mean the purple bucket.
Are you colorblind? But dump it. There we go. Move it around a little bit.
I know what to do.
Somewhere over the rainbow. All right. All right. All right, dude. Dude. All right. Go get here. Oh God, Delilah plus. Angel.
What?
Stand right here and do this. So it'll probably work better.
Okay.
Here, I'll get you in stance. Let me have it. All right. Angel, come here. Stand right where the hose is pointing.
Okay, right where the hose is pointing.
Yeah, right here, like where that big puffy thing is. And be like me. Turn around. All right. Do it like this.
What there? Oh yeah, that did work because the sunlight was bouncing off.
Yeah. All right. No. Oh, Delilah. Are you all right? All right. So, Angel, no, stop. Put that down. Sorry for. All right, Angel. Turn it, the hose. Turn it like Delilah's way.
Okay. Right here.
That'll.
Okay, let me magically turn on the hose. Here. I thought it would work.
Hold on.
The magically turn hose on.
Hold on. We have a problem.
What?
The hose. That's all. All right. Don't you hate when that happens?
Yeah, the hose. I want the hose to magically just turn on.
I know. Come on. Now keep. Oh God. Come on. Get the hose from your sister. And point it. Point it.
We'll get you in a minute. Come on, just stand with the director. Okay, magically her turn hers on.
All right. All right.
No,
Do not do that, or your sister's gonna.
Oh, got it.
Oh gosh.
It's baby fight.
Well,
Baby water.
hey, we're still watering the ground.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get the grass over here. This actually is working. Let's get this grass. Get it right here, Angel. Right here. Stop. Stop. Get it right there on the grass. Over there. Don't get anybody wet though, or we're gonna cancel this video. Right?
Oh, okay.
So don't get anybody wet.
Oh, yeah, let's try not to get
Come on.
anyone wet.
Yeah, come on. And let's go to the grass over here.
Okay.
Yes, grass over here. Because this grass, as you can see, is dying. Put some over here. When it's faded in color a lot.
Yeah. Oh, wait, Delilah, stop it. Wait, stop it. Come on.
Come on, just continue.
Okay, so
All right, fill her bucket. She wants it.
Okay, let's just fill the bucket.
Yeah, and then let her try to carry it so we don't have to work with that.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
And then she can dump it somewhere. Over
Okay,
the
yeah,
rainbow.
Okay.
Oh, you got a boot wet. That's okay.
What? Just for my hard work. We watered this tree.
Yes, trees need water.
Yeah, trees need water, man. Trees
Yes,
need water.
like, don't get the sign wet, whatever you do. All right, here.
Okay, don't
Come
get
here.
the sign wet.
Come here, Angel.
Don't get that sign wet, Jake.
Come here. Come
Don't
here.
Get Jake wet.
All right. Now, let's get the grass over here because it is all fading. Thanks for liking my ring. No, I'm not selling these rings.
No!
All right.
Okay, she wants some water.
All right. Let's give her a lot of it so she has trouble pushing it over. Here, I'll go get the water.